Today, I am going to show you how to embed videos into Canvas. So let's say that you have been to YouTube and you have found a video that you like, and so we are going to use this surface area of this rectangular prism video to embed into Canvas. So I'm going to click on the video and I am going to pause it so play while we're talking. And so once it loads, then underneath the video, it says watchable by caldwellschools.com. If this is not there, your students will not be able to watch it, and you might want to check with your media person to get that clicked to watch by Caldwell Schools. But to embed this into Canvas, we can go to Share. And right here, the first option, we get Embed. Now, this code here is going to embed that. You can actually, if there's only part of the video you want them to watch, let's say you want it to start at 1 minute, 1 minute and 10 seconds, that will change the code to start at 1 minute and 10 seconds, and then they'll watch the rest of the video. I'm going to unclick that because we don't need that for this video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here and I'm going to hit copy, and that is going to copy that code right there for me. And then I'm going to go over to my Canvas course, and you can insert this into a page, you can insert it into an assignment, you can insert it into a quiz. So I'm going to just go to assignments. And then I am going to come over here where it says plus assignment in the top right hand corner. And anywhere, so like on a page, on an assignment, on a quiz, you have this rich content editor box that pops up for you to type things in. And so anywhere this rich content editor box is, you can click on the cloud. And when you hover over it, it says embed. And so if you just click that cloud, a box is going to pop up and it's going to ask for the embed code. And so you're just going to click into that box. You can either right click and hit paste, or you can hit Control V, and that puts that code that you copied in that box, and then hit submit. And then you can see that, oh goodness, right there it is. There is the video that I put into my page. Now, a lot of times what I will do is I will go underneath the video and go back to YouTube and copy the link at the top, the URL up here, youtube.com, whatever / and I will put that link underneath the video. And so to do that, I'm going to come up here to where this link is and hit the little drop down menu and hit external link because it's not within the course. And I'm going to put surface area YouTube video. And then I'm going to paste that YouTube link, that URL, in the link box and hit done. And so the text that pops up is what I typed in. And so that way, if that video is not popping up or there's some issue with it, they can click the link and go to the actual YouTube page. And so that is how you embed a YouTube or a video into the rich content editor in Canvas. Now you can do that in a page, an assignment, in a quiz, anywhere where this box with these tools is, you can do it. And so remember, we went to share underneath the video, and anywhere you see the little brackets there, that is going to give you your embed code to embed it into Canvas. If you have any questions about embedding videos, please reach out to Randy Seldenridge, Donna Nichols, or Kaylee Elliott for help.